Hello dear Capricorn, how are you guys doing? And this is the reading for the remaining days of December 2020. So let's see what's happening with you. So first of all, Capricorn, what you are doing you are walking away from a love situation. This is Five of Pentacles and this is Ace of Cups. So Capricorn, what you are doing is you are walking away from a love situation, or you are running away from your own emotions of love. You are having emotions for somebody, but you're not accepting it. Or maybe this is kind of energy that you walked away from a particular relationship, you broke up from somebody, and now you are starting a new love relationship with somebody else, and that is happening very quickly with you, and you are not able to understand what is happening actually, but you are just doing it for the sake of doing it. I'm not feeling that you are doing it by heart, or you are putting so much of effort in this. But Capricorn, I might sound wrong, I might sound rude, but what you are doing is not good right now. If you are walking away from a particular person or relationship or a thing, then please give yourself some time to resolve this anger and resentment and this kind of emotions. Otherwise, if you're jumping into another relationship just for the sake of rebounding, or just for the sake of, yes, you want a relationship in your life, then Capricorn, it is going to hurt you a lot. So you have to take care of yourself. You have to first come out of the previous one, then start the new one. Okay, this is the energy what I'm picking from you for the remaining days of December 2020. And then there is result coming in. You are turning your back to somebody. Maybe you are turning your back to this new love situation. Yes, now it is making sense to me. You walked away from a particular person or situation, then there is some new love coming in your life, but you are not looking at that as well. You are, right now in the situation of turning your back to every emotional thing happening to you, emotionally off. You are kind of emotionally off right now, Capricorn. You are not feeling good about any kind of relationship right now. This is happening with you. Okay, so in the middle part of December 2020, remaining 2020, this is the 10 of Wands energy. So this is what it is showing is that you are taking so much of responsibilities on your shoulders that you are feeling drained and you are feeling exhausted, and you're feeling like, oh God, I can't take these responsibilities anymore. I just need a break, otherwise I'll break down. This is the kind of energy that is happening with you, Capricorn. And there's Knight of Pentacles as well. There's some kind of materialistic gain is happening to you in the middle part of December 2020. Materialistic gain is also there, but instead of celebrating that particular thing, you are feeling overburdened, you are feeling overwhelmed, you are feeling like breaking down. You are kind of, not in a happy zone. Basically, you are not happy emotionally. You are feeling alone, you are feeling sick, you are feeling like, oh God, this is not me, this is not happening. But the good news is this is happening. This is 11. This is 4 of Wands. That, can you see the 4 of Wands? There's 1 there's 1 11. So this is the message from the universe to you guys, Capricorn, that whatever is happening for your higher good. So you have to just be patient. You have to be, just be calm, just be, a little bit more confident and secure in yourself, that whatever is happening to you is happening just because the universe wants it in this way. If you're resisting this change, you are going to suffer a lot. So what you have to do is you have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to take care of yourself, your health, your well-being, and your emotional health. Otherwise, you are going to suffer. So you have to take care of all these things. Intense month it is going to be for you, Capricorn. This is very, very intense month. And there is Tower moment as well. There is some kind of breakup. See, I'm telling you, Capricorn, there's some kind of breakup. You were trying very hard to make things good in this relationship, or you were trying very hard to make this relationship work out, but that is not working you out. That was a weak relationship, that was a weak foundation that broke up finally, that came to you as a shock, that it is finally happening. But the good news is this is the 10 of Swords, that this breakup part, this painful part, is the worst part is over. Then now there is a new beginning in your life. There's a new thing that is happening in your life. See, the energy is so much intense that I am feeling it in myself right now, and I am feeling the way you are going to feel, or you are feeling currently. So Capricorn, there's a big breakthrough in your life. there's some kind of things that is happening in your life that is not making you happy at all. You are trying to make everything good, you are trying to make everything perfect, you are trying so hard to do everything in line. You know what, don't try, don't do anything. Just be calm, be patient, be a little safe and secure in your own skin, in your own zone. Step back, take a breath, and just calm down, just relax. All you need is a good massage or good trip or good spa. Go to a spa, give yourself some kind of beautiful massage or beautiful head massage or whatever you like. Whatever you like to do in your relaxing time. Go in nature, have some fun with kids. Otherwise it is going to be a very intense month for you. I'm really sorry for this, but this is going to be very, and particularly what I'm feeling is you are moving away from a particular person, and this person is causing you a lots of pain. And but there's new love is also there, new life is also there, new person is also there, but you are turning your back to this person as well, which is a very good thing right now, because this is not the solution right now, Capricorn. But what you have to do is you just have to be patient. You have to wait for the good things to happen, unfold itself. Don't pressurize anything to happen. Don't take so much of stress just to make everything good. Okay, because everything will be good eventually, and it will take its sweet time to happen. So you have to just relax, focus on yourself for the time being, focus on your own emotions. If you are feeling like crying, just cry. If you are feeling like to go out and have party, just do that. Relax, else you are going to feel very, very sad and bad, and I'm not going to make it. So it is like, okay, I'm so sorry for this intense reading, but I am here to tell you the truth. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything just because you will feel good about this. No, not at all. So Capricorn, this is a reading for you guys for December 2020. I hope you will come out of this phase very, very quickly. And God bless you. Sending lots of healings and blessings and love to you guys. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.